Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and making sure you can reach the home or lock screen. Once done, open Settings to begin. Tap General, then about to confirm your iOS version so you know available Control Center features. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is accessible in case the phone requests authentication while changing settings. These quick checks avoid interruptions and let you jump straight into customizing or locating Control Center without guesswork, keeping the steps efficient and predictable. From Settings, tap Control Center and you'll see the main toggle and customization area. This is where you find and modify how Control Center behaves. If you want quick access from the lock screen, make sure access on lock screen is enabled. If not, disable it. To tailor shortcuts, use Customize Controls, then add or remove items. This changes what you see when you open Control Center. These steps show not just where it is, but why each option affects your access and workflow. Now open Control Center. On Face ID iPhones, swipe down from the top right corner. On devices with a home button, swipe up from the bottom edge. Once open, you can use brightness, volume, and your added shortcuts immediately. Make sure your swipe starts at the correct edge and is quick enough to register. If Control Center doesn't appear, restart the iPhone, confirm access on lock screen and in-app access toggles are set correctly, and then try the appropriate swipe again. This resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.